Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the removal now. Open Chrome and make sure you're in the profile that has the extension. Once done, go directly to Chrome, //extensions, or choose menu More Tools Extensions. This puts you at the control panel where every extension is listed. Make sure Browser Sync is off if you do not want the change replicated across devices. Doing this first prevents unexpected reinstallation and ensures you act on the correct profile instead of another signed-in account. Find the extension tile in the list and inspect it. Check the name, publisher, and last used date to confirm it's the right one. Next, click Details to review permissions and site access so you understand what will be removed and why you might lose saved data. If you're certain, click Remove and Confirm in the dialog. That deletes it. Alternatively, toggle the switch off to disable without deleting. Doing this step prevents accidental loss of needed functionality while keeping control over data and permissions. After removal, restart Chrome to ensure all extension processes end and the UI updates. Once restarted, verify the extension is gone from the list and pages load correctly. Clear cache and site data if you suspect remnants changed web page behavior. If the extension reappears, make sure sync wasn't turned on, sign out and remove from the sync device, or reset Chrome to defaults to eliminate stubborn installs. As a final troubleshooting tip, disabling sync and removing from every signed-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.